case of any lost and found items, the concerns may make the submission at the Tourist Information Desk.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Konyak Cultural Troupe. The Konyak Cultural Troupe will be performing the Kahham MANWAIPU TAHYAH WANTE local hymn, which is the weeding and harvest song. The weeding and harvest song of the Konyak Naga tribe is sung during the weeding and harvest seasons. It is a reflection of the agricultural practices, community life, and spiritual beliefs of the Konyak Naga tribe. The song is invoked as a blessing for the harvest, calling for good fortune and a bountiful crop. It serves to keep the spirits of the land and nature at peace, ensuring a successful harvest free from calamities, pests, and natural disasters. During the weeding season, the song speaks to the hard labor of the farmers and stresses the importance of getting the work done on time. It reflects the urgency to prevent any damage from pests or calamities that might destroy the crops. The lyrics of the song serve as a reminder of the physical effort required and the community's dedication to the task. As a fast and rhythmic song, this song helps to boost the energy and morale of the workers in the field. The pace of the music energizes the workers, keeping them motivated and united during the strenuous labor. After the harvest, the Konyak women celebrate the ritual of firing guns into the air. This signifies joy, prosperity, and the success of the harvest. The sound of gunshots marks the conclusion of the hard work and the beginning of a celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an announcement that the women folk of the Konyak tribe will be firing gunshots into the air. Please do not be afraid, as these shots The firing of the gunshots signifies joy, prosperity, and success of the harvest, and also marks the conclusion of the hard work and the beginning of celebration.
Hello? Pero el program tu saya sudah stadium.
Towards the end of the celebration, the village fool, who is deaf, is often left behind, creating a comedic and light-hearted scene. This part of the act adds an element of to the otherwise very serious and hard-working agricultural process, bringing laughter and joy to the community. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give the Konyak Cultural Troupe a big round of applause for their wonderful performance.